Hey guys, so I'm about to leave and head out to the fair. I have on my fanny, wait one second. I have on my fanny pack from Jeffree Star. I think it looks super cute. I really like that it's hands-free, so this is the optimal, the most, this is the best scenario for me to use this. I use this when this is the best scenario for me to use this. I use it when I can, but you know, it's not an everyday kind of thing. And yeah, today we are gonna be hitting up some rides. We're probably gonna be going over to the petting zoo and everything, so it'll be fun, and let's just go. For the whole day, and no one's here. That's insane. I finally tracked all of them down.
It's actually starting out even better than my last one.
Dude, I'm even recording on this Hey guys, so I don't know if you can see me, it's super dark. I'm driving, we're at a stoplight, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I was a responsible adult tonight. The light's turning green. I was a responsible adult tonight. I have school in the morning. It is literally 9:30. Yeah, a lot of us go on, really? Whatever. That looks kind of weird, but alright. But yeah, a lot of us go on $12 day. It is Wednesday. Tomorrow I think it's $20 for a ride ticket and everything, but to get in and to ride the rides just for 12 bucks, not bad at all. I was really happy with, let me turn off the AC, what the heck? But I was really happy with the way my day went and everything. I literally got out of class and went almost straight to the fair. I just came home to get a few things, a few essentials, get my Jeffree Star bag and everything just to go, because I'm not carrying a big old purse around the fair and going on the rides, and this was just way easier for me. I'm gonna call it a night. I have school early in the morning. I literally have to leave my house at 7 in order to get to, you know, my classes at 8:30. That's when they start. And after that, yeah, I'm gonna be doing another separate vlog from that tomorrow and everything. So these are specifically fair vlogs. So the next time I see you guys, it's probably gonna be for the Fiesta Day Parade. And yeah, this is probably gonna be part 2 all in one. So good night, and I will see you on Fiesta Day. Hello everyone, so it is the morning of the Fiesta Day Parade. I believe it is 8:30 a.m. It starts at 10 a.m. So I had better put on my face and get ready and everything. We're headed over to Adolfo's, and yeah. So the Fiesta Day Parade actually marks the second to last day of the fair, so it is almost coming to an end, and of course this is the last video of the 2-part kind of, I don't want to call it a series or anything, but this is the last video for the fair for this year. And yeah, I just hope that you've liked the videos, and I'll see you there. Okay, so my makeup is all done and we're gonna head over to Adolfo's before the parade to get some burritos, so let's just go. Okay, so I just got out of Adolfo's and as per usual, I got the goods. So here, let me just show you what I got. I got the California burrito with the verde sauce. And I only asked for one horchata, but they gave me two, so I'm not complaining. And for those of you who do not know, horchata is basically like an iced, it could be iced or it could be warm, but I have it iced right here and it's basically a cinnamon rice drink and it is absolutely amazing. So yeah. So let's just get on over to the parade.
Roasting.
There you go, Joe. Thank you.
Thanks. How's it going?
They should have a little.
Let's go, y'all. Give it up for the Glory Central. Welcome.
Okay, so it is the last official day of the fair. It is currently Monday, September 2nd, the last day, and the Selena tribute concert is tonight. And I believe it's like 8:20. It starts at 9 o'clock, so we really have to get going. So I have our tickets to get in my back pocket because I'm not going to take a purse. I'm not going to take a body bag. I'm not going to take anything like that because I don't have time for that.
Cariño y mucho respeto. Can I hear for Selena? Un grito fuerte. Que seguimos con más música, todos sus éxitos para todos ustedes. Que los disfruten. for more? More dancing? A ver si es cierto, los quiero ver.
On me that you forgot all of the Selena songs and you were just faking it?
But I heard it. I sang it. Most of them I did. You didn't know them either.
No, I didn't know every single little word, but yeah,
Oh.
I knew the songs, yeah.
I don't know every single thing.
Oh, okay, I thought you were meaning something else. Why not? You don't want to come with me no more? You don't love me no more? Why? You should get out and do stuff. Clearly not, because you don't want to come next year.
No, I might not be home.
Where are you going to be?
What did you hear what I said?
No. That you were out $7. I heard you.
Yeah, that was what's up and that.
Well, his fault. Yeah, it's his fault. Over here not wanting to come with you this morning. Waiting last minute to tell you. Always last minute with him. So now we're going over to Sonic so I could get my corn dog because they were out of corn dogs and that's what I really wanted, and I did not want a jumbo one because that's way too big.
That's what she said.
So, well, what do you want? Well, we'll see. No,
2019 fair.
we'll see you guys over at Sonic. So they're out of tots and onion rings.
It's the fair.
They did?
Yeah, Popeyes.
Oh, that was the sandwich.
No, we didn't get any chicken, remember?
No, but I wanted the sandwich,
But I
remember?
wanted chicken.
But
They didn't have
every
any.
single Popeyes location is out of the sandwich.
And chicken.
I-
They didn't have any chicken.
So we both just got regular corn dogs. Okay, so we made it home all good and safely. We went to Sonic. We literally got her a soda and me and her, I want to say like 2 corn dogs. So 1 corn dog each for $3.50. So that is way better than the fair and I'm glad we did that. So yeah, we made it home all good and safe, and thank you guys for watching the video. And remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.